How to delete your download history on Google Play Store. This tutorial walks you through removing apps from your Play Store history in just a few simple steps. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Manage Apps and Device. At this point, tap on Manage to see a full list of your apps. In the next step, tap on the filter that says Installed and switch it to Not Installed. This will show all the apps you've previously downloaded but no longer have on your device. Following this, tap on the apps you want to remove from your history. You can select multiple ones at once. Once done, tap on the trash icon at the top right to delete them. Finally, confirm the removal and those apps will be cleared from your Play Store download history. And that's it. If this guide helped you clean up your Play Store history on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.